In this tutorial I will manipulate how to make movie poster design with texture portrait background. So let's start now. Firstly open your Photoshop, then open your images, hold Ctrl key and select your images. Now select pen tool for cut your image. After full selected, then mouse right click and make selection. Now press Ctrl Alt R for refine edge. Select refine tool and select your hair outside area. In this refine edge dialog box, make sure to smooth one and output to new layer and click on checkbox remember settings. Then OK. Now select spot healing tool for remove your face spots. Select smudge tool and use on your face for quickly smooth skin. Select move tool or press V and move your image to this background. Now press Ctrl T for resize your image. Hold Alt or Shift and drag from your image corner side for equally best resize. Then press Enter. Now select burn tool and exposure must be low and use. Select your layer, copy the layer, press Ctrl J. Go to filter, then stylize, then oil paint. Here shine, select 0.3. Stylization 2, cleanliness 1. Scale 3. Then OK. Now hold Alt or key and create negative mask. And select brush tool and must be make sure to foreground color is white. Then use for coming any area to your oil paint. Mouse right click then marge down. Select burn tool, and must be select to shadow and exposure is low, then use on your hair for black color. Now hold and take your light effect. From blending select to soft light. Now go to filter then camera raw filter. Turn off your image layer and hold press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply image all down layer. Now select color lookup. Select your any color filter and must be opacity low. Create new layer for sunglass color. Select brush tool and press Q. Then select your sunglass area. Then again press Q. Now press Ctrl Shift I for inverse selection. Now select to gradient for your sunglass color. Select your gradient and from blending mode select to hard light. Again press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Now go to filter then camera raw filter. Now select to gradient and must be opacity low, and from blending mode select to soft light. Again select your top of the layer and hold press Alt or Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Now again use color lookup. Now go to filter, then Nick collection, then color FX Pro 4. Here select cross processing filter and select your desired filter. Then OK. Go to camera raw filter and increase clarity for more sharpen. Now go to image, then image size for increase image size. Now mouse right click and select blending options. Here select to stroke and select your stroke color and size, then OK. Now save your image. Thanks for watching our full tutorial. I hope you must like our tutorial. Please like, comment and please share our videos. Thank you so much for stay with us. See you next tutorial. Thank you.